Alright, I've got a real quick video here on learning target 5 for the Chapter 7 test on working with some algebraic expressions. You're most likely going to see some sort of like a number trick type question where you'll need to be able to identify which expressions correctly match and which expressions do not match the steps that were given. I abbreviated pick a number to PAN, so that's what PAN is, it's pick a number. So I will expect you to be able to do an algebra tile picture and an algebraic expression. So the pick a number is our famous x tile, and the expression just starts as x. Multiplying by 3 means that we now need 3 of our x tiles, and so we would have 3x. Adding 5 is, if it doesn't say adding 5 x's and it just says adding 5, that means we're adding 5 unit tiles to the mix. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3 x's and 5. And then last but not least, multiplying by 2 means we need to make 2 copies of everything. So there's my first 3x plus 5, and then I need my second 3x plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this expression, and this is kind of the key for this one, is being able to write it in multiple ways. One of the ways is saying that there are 2 sets of 3x plus 5, and the other way is noticing that there are altogether 6 x's and 10 unit tiles. I will expect you to be able to write both, so make sure that you can recognize where each came from. So I wanted to do one more example of just writing things multiple ways. If you want to pause this video and practice yourself, go for it, but I'm going to keep talking, so I'm not going to pause. It's up to you if you pause. No, Renee, sorry, my cat's climbing on me. Alright, so here I see 3 sets of 2x plus 3. This is the first set, this is the second set, and this is the third set. But altogether I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count 6 x's and 3, 6, 9. 9 unit tiles. So that is 2 different ways. There is one way kind of in between that for the distributive property that may or may not show up. It shows up a lot on the state testing, so you want to kind of get used to saying that. And noticing that there are 3 sets of 2 x's. So writing that out the long way, saying there are 3 sets of 2 x's, and there are 3 sets of 3. So these are the 3 ways that we for sure should know to write this for the test in the Chapter 7 exam and for the state testing. So that's all for this video. For making your own problems, you just create a set of steps that you like to follow. Draw that algebraic expression, draw the algebra tiles and write the algebraic expression, and have some fun with it.